We're at 121 Shoal Cove Road in beautiful West Bath. Today we're going to talk about the rainwater catchment system that this home has. We're at 121 Shoal Cove Road in beautiful West Bath. Today we're going to talk about the rainwater catchment system in this home. I'm here with Eric Wilson, the water doctor, and he's going to show us where it all begins.
Hi, I'm Eric Wilson, the water doctor. What we've got here is a rainwater collection system, and what we're using is the huge roof on this property to provide all the water for the home for all its domestic needs.
Alright Eric, so we know that the roof supplies the water to the house. What next?
Okay, all that water that's coming off the roof is collected through this pipe system overhead. It all collects and comes down to this tank, which is our decanting tank. It takes the first water off the roof. It collects about 100 gallons or so. From there, the water will fall into the remaining tanks and slowly fills all these tanks up through this common manifold system that you see on the ground, all the white pipes. Once it gets into here, there's a little pump system that pumps the water up to the house through some very basic filtration and up to the house.
Okay, and I've seen that sort of filtration system in a home before, so that's pretty common.
This is very common, and this is a very simple one.
And so could you explain to everyone what you would say are the benefits of this sort of system in a coastal area compared to a well?
The biggest thing on the coastal areas, we do a lot of desalination systems because on the coast, so we've got a lot of saltwater intrusion and it's only getting worse. We've got a huge roof here that we can capitalize on for rainstorms to collect all this water that we need for the house.
Excellent, excellent. And so what would a homeowner expect on as far as maintenance is concerned?
On maintenance for this, it's actually pretty easy. I'm going to say once a month or once every 2 months, we have to clean the decanting tank for the debris that's collected off the roof. And then we add, once a month, we have a little chlorine system here that puts a little bit of chlorine into the water every day, but once a month we have to fill that up to make sure that that's in place. And then we have a simple cartridge filter that we might replace every 6 months to a year.
So that sounds pretty simple to me.
It's very simple.
Excellent. And so how often do you test the water?
Just like any other well, you want to test the water once a year. And if you have a severe weather event or rain, obviously you might want to test it after that.
Well, I want to thank you very much for explaining this system, Eric. Thank you.
Take care.